Hello everyone, my name is Amit. I gave my TOFEL iBT exam, new shorter version on 27th July, and I would like to share my experience, which was amazing. I have studied from Punjab School Board. I found TOFEL test very easy with right training and found it even very easier than IELTS, where once I couldn't score in reading, but with TOFEL overall scoring are 90. So I think my dream of going to Canada now for study can be fulfilled.
My name is Tarandeep Singh. I am from Tarantaran, Punjab. Today on 9th August, I have appeared for my TOFEL exam here at Amritsar, and it was really a great experience as the duration of the TOFEL exam was nearly 2 hours. The ETS has reduced the duration of the test, and has become very easier for the students to appear for the exam. I have scored 22 in my listening and 25 in my reading, and I'm expecting 100 plus score as an overall score. I would recommend all to kindly switch to ETS for TOFEL exams.
My name is Anandita. I gave my TOFEL exam at Chandigarh today, and it was under the new format which has changed since the 26th of July 2023. Since the time has been reduced to under 2 hours, it was a good experience. It was beneficial for me that it lasted for less than 2 hours. It allowed me to be more concentrated during the entire process. I scored 30 each in my listening and reading, so it was a great experience for me.
Hi, my name is Victor Bhandari and I'm targeting universities in the Canada and US. I got to know about the shorter version of the TOFEL iBT test. I scored high marks in the reading section, that is 29, and high marks in the listening section, which is 25. Overall, I felt that the entire shorter version is very convenient. I recommend all candidates in the future to consider TOFEL iBT if they are targeting universities in US and Canada.